Need to do, guys, is go ahead and get on your browser, and we're literally just going to go over to Google, okay? So hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get a modded version of the game Airplane Chefs. So this is for iPhone and Android devices, so you can actually use it on both, which is wild, bro. So it makes you rich. Watch. So as you can see, guys, the game is loading right now, and you guys will see I'm broke, right? But in the mod menu, I can actually get unlimited gems. So let me just turn this on so you guys can see that it actually works, and you can see all the settings. So let me just turn this on right here, as you can see, and let's see if we get any increase on our game, guys. So I don't know, I don't see an increase, but it might come. So let's see what happens to our game, guys. And no increase. Yeah, it's going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this Airplane Chef hack for iOS and Android. Super cool. Works on iOS and Android. So if you guys are broke, definitely try this out. I'm going to show you guys how to download it now. So the first thing we're going to do is go into the browser, and we're just going to go onto this website. So the website is called tweakmod.com. So once you're here, guys, just go to the search bar, and you just want to type in Airplane Chef. So there we go. So then just go ahead and press install. So before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. It's just like downloading some apps. So let me just download it right here. So as you can see, it's like downloading. So yeah, I'll just see it. So yeah, this is showing the iPhone and Android logos, so super cool. So let's just give it a second here for this to go ahead and load up. Alright, so let's see what happens. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So as you can see at the end, it says missing files, so we just need to download some apps, follow instructions. You only have to download 2 of these. There's a video to watch, but you can see like TikTok down and run for 30 seconds. So you just press on it, it brings you to the App Store, you download it. So yeah, just make sure you do 2 of them. I'll see you later. But yeah, Airplane Chef Hack 2025, iOS and Android, unlimited stuff, super easy to do.